What's up, YouTube? Just kind of setting up for this weekend. Kind of give you guys an update. I got all my drivers in, power supply, got my brain box painted, and I still need to cut out 3 of those plexiglass windows on the side of it. But I pretty much got everything. I got all my wires and my little ferrules for the end of the wires, you know, to print down. And there's a couple of missing pieces on the bottom of this board here. I want to use to kind of set it off the bottom of this a little bit. That way, kind of, as far as like, if you want to, I got some little jam nuts, little turn thumb screws or whatever you want to call them. I'll make it easier where you can take it out. But yeah, I'll show you a little bit about what's going to happen this weekend. It's been a work night. It's kind of hard to start working on another project and have to be up in the morning. So, but yeah, we're gonna get this sucker running this weekend.